Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can find people on Spotify. So open Spotify and just tap on search icon and just type the name you want to find. For example, this is artist, and just tap on it so you can follow the artist here. And you can find another people. Just tap on album and then go to tap on Spotify or writing and select followers or following. Just tap on followers so you can find other people here. Just tap on follow icon in the right. For example, just tap on it. So yeah, basically, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.